Hi, it's Vivian here, and we're going to be talking about how to use a CeraVe XA cleanser. SA means salicylic acid. It is an exfoliant, and this cleanser looks like this, and it's from CeraVe. So many of you have it, but you do not know how to use a salicylic acid cleanser for it to work for you. This cleanser contains ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and salicylic acid. So it's like it contains exfoliating ingredients, it contains hydrating ingredients, it contains moisturizing ingredients. Now let's talk about cleansers. Cleansers are used to cleanse your face of its dirt, the germs, the gums. For other products to penetrate easier and faster, cleansers come in many forms. There are exfoliating cleansers, hydrating cleansers, moisturizing cleansers, and anti-aging cleansers. And these cleansers have their own work. Each one has what it does. Exfoliating cleansers exfoliate your skin, removes dead skin cells, help with acne. Hydrating cleansers hydrate your skin. Moisturizing cleansers moisturize your skin for it to trap in moisture so that there will be no moisture loss. Then the anti-aging cleansers helps to remove wrinkles, fine lines, and so much more. Now, let's talk about the CeraVe Salicylic Acid Cleanser. It is an exfoliating cleanser and a hydrating cleanser, but it is more of an exfoliating cleanser because it has more percentage of salicylic acid. When you want to cleanse your face with salicylic acid, what you need to know is that you need to do the cleansing, which is an oil cleanser first before the salicylic acid cleanser. How to use it? After using your oil cleanser, pour your salicylic acid cleanser in your palm, lather it with water, then apply it on a wet face. Make sure your face is wet. After applying the cleanser, the foaming cleanser all over your face, you wait for 1 minute. Why I'm telling you to wait for 1 minute is for the cleanser to penetrate a little bit. 1 minute or highest 30 seconds. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, you wash it off. Now, this is where it's very important. After washing it off, don't clean your face. Leave your face like that. Because cleaning it off will not do anything for your face. You need to leave your face like that. Let it still be a little bit damp. Let it still be wet. Let your face dry on its own. When your face dries out, you now go in with other moisturizing factors. After your face dries out, please don't go and exfoliate with a toner. You keep exfoliating. XA cleanser is enough for one routine. It's enough. Salicylic acid cleanser is enough for one routine. After letting it dry, you go in with your other products, and also make sure if it is a morning routine, make sure your sunscreen is on your face. It's a night routine, your moisturizer should be the last. This step is very important. Let your face dry on its own, because if not, you're cleaning it off. It's not doing anything at all for your skin, so your face has to dry on its own. I hope this simple tip helps someone out there. Don't misuse your cleansers. Don't waste your cleansers because you don't know how to use it. Watch this video, you are going to know. Please subscribe to my channel if you love my content, and I post skincare content and videos every day for you to learn and love your skin.